cycle of stagnation has already collapsed. What do you do? What are you doing now? Yes. You are a welder. Good. Raise your hands to heaven. Because you're a welder now, but God is making you a fisher of men. It's okay, raise your hands. I thought you wanted to push it forward. It's okay, I'm standing on my prophetic position. Because there are altars that challenge men in your family. There is an altar that challenges men in your family. And first of all, God would want you to begin to address spiritually. There are something like a mountain of an altar that is addressing the issue of male child. And if you can allow God to breathe through you, many will see light in that home. If you can submit yourself to Him and allow Him to move through you, you will become a force. God wants to make you. God wants to make you. If you can allow Him to make you, your life will never remain the same. Even in this young age, there will be a curve in a particular junction in your life that will change your current history and experience. Raise your hands. I pray for grace now. For anything that we come as a thief. For the Bible said that the enemy have come to steal, to kill, and to destroy. That anything that the enemy will be projected in order to steal the identity spiritually and give you a position that you are not, or give you an identity that you are not, in order to steal the original assignment in your life. I stand in the place of priesthood and I command it to collapse. I frustrate it before time. I declare from now, let the hands of God be strong in your life. You are going to go through a journey. It's not going to be an easy journey. But when you can know that it's an experience that God is following through you. So that you will begin to live a certain kind of life of consecration, life of submission, and life of prayer, and waiting upon the signal that you don't do anything until there is a sign for you. Lord, I ask, there is something about the spirit of Elijah coming upon you. There is something about the ministry. It's like a ministry that has to do with fire. It's like an activity, the spiritual activity that's going to inspire fire. Use it, Lord. Use him, Lord, to correct every error in his family. Jesus, touch!